banger video, man. As you see, I'm in big TRX, man. I see these two snow bunnies over here.
Nah, I don't see nothing.
Nah, y'all, yeah, you can't look.
Yeah,
I
nothing,
see
brother.
y'all. Oh, they old as hell. Nah, they about they cool, like 30s. I'll take 30-year-old.
All right. Good for you, brother.
I'll take.
You're still young. You got, you know what I'm saying?
So this is.
I'm gonna just do the foot on the brake. I messed up.
Yeah. It's okay. It's okay. It's
All right,
first,
let's see. I got this. I got
first
this.
one. It's in sport, actually. I mean.
Oh yeah. See, it wasn't even in sport. See?
So I
Told you. So you set me up. All right. So what do I go to about 3?
Yeah. Yeah. So you hold it at 2,500.
You know I'm all fucked up if I'm listening to Sway.
So hold it at 2,500. And then right when you press the gas, you let off the brake. Yep. Told you. That's a good one. That's a good one. Yeah, I told you.
That was a good one. I ain't gonna lie, say that was a good one, bro.
Hey, man, I don't race. I don't race. I don't do
that. Was a good one, though, son.
Yeah, so your TRX is perfect at 2,500. Yep. Figure it out.
You low key be in my shit going crazy, don't you? How you know that, brother? That means you had to experiment a lot.
Nah. Now try it with that. Now watch with the button. Watch.
No, I want to do it again with this one again. Oh, hold on. There you go.
Yes, hold it for like 3 seconds. 1, 2, 3. Go. Dang, that motherfucker. That's the one. Yeah, that's the.
Hey, bro.
Yeah, that's.
Now I see why you be doing that all the time.
That launch was hard.
That was a good one.
Hey, that's hard.
I feel like, hey, sir, I feel like a racer now, bro.
Hey, man, where the helmet? I ain't put the helmet on.
Not the helmet? Oh, it's back here behind my seat.
I ain't put that shit on right now.
All right, let's see. Oh, that was dope. All right, let's try this again.
It felt good though. I ain't gonna lie.
It is, bro. I did all right?
That was actually good. That was actually good.
All right,
it was better than right.
I'm gonna try with. I know it's getting a little darker here. Y'all know we got this dark tint.
I'm black. So
I'm gonna try with the button now.
Yeah.
Yes, thank you, brother. Get the words tangled up.
It's okay.
All right, here we go, y'all. Y'all ready for this?
Watch out for no police. All right, be good.
I just put the hazards on as if, like, I'm broke down, so if they do see me, they don't look like I'm making numb. So I hit the button.
Yep.
Boom.
And it'll pop on the screen.
Wait, don't pop up on here no more? Yep. Race options, look, see?
Oh, right there. So.
See, I knew I was talking about.
Anyway.
Show him that. See?
Anyways.
So they don't know more than me about this racing shit.
I don't like Dodge. So.
All right. So let's see. Damn, brother. You was just saying you was having a blast. See, I ain't gonna get you a trolling ass started. Sway is such a troll. All right, let's go.
Bring it down. So that's.
I want to keep it at 35.
All right.
All right, now what do I do? Cancel launch?
No.
Launch enabled?
Yeah, so apply full throttle.
All right. To the brake?
No, full throttle.
No, it says 35. Yeah, okay, all right. All right, so I was just supposed to, when it's on the button, I just hold down the brake?
Yeah. No, the throttle.
Activate launch control. But why does it say vehicle will launch at 35? Oh, so I don't even gotta hold the brake.
No, 35. Yeah, it's gonna launch at 3,500 RPM.
So I don't gotta hold the brake.
Nope.
Oh damn. Okay. Why is it rolling in?
Now put it. It's too high.
No, I gotta have a foot on the brake. All right, see, now I go to 35.
You trying to burn out, God?
I was type burn out, huh?
See, I don't trust that guy. See.
All right, brother.
Yeah, fuck that.
But you said no. I got to get this, brother. Okay, let's lower it down there.
I'm on the screen, yo.
But it just says brake pressure.
Yeah, but it says apply full throttle at the bottom.
Okay, apply full throttle. Okay, here we go. I see it now. I'm gonna make sure I ain't seeing that.
I know.
It says it tells you when to release on the thing. I see it now. So watch, activate launch control. See, and then it'll say apply full throttle.
Oh, like this shit.
It tells you when though, but you're right though. Your way is better, I think. Okay, let's see.
Goddamn experiment.
Shift light. All right. Show everything up and up. All right. That was a good one. Oh, the Honda was going too. Look.
The Honda was going
like, what the hell is going on with dude? All right, that's
I'm not gonna lie. I don't like the launch button.
No.
It's very.
I think we don't know what we doing, bro. Oh, here you go. Lower it down like this. See?
Yeah, but still gonna do the same thing though. It is gonna launch. And like once you reach that, it's gonna launch.
All right, I'm gonna try it anyway. I can't just give up.
So I would give up. My way. I'm tell you, my way's better.
You think so?
Way better.
All right, let me turn around.
I does this shit, man.
see, brother.
Well, you making one turn?
Yeah, no. I could have. I wanted to go over. I don't want to destroy property though. I would have rolled over that whole building.
That's some dangerous thing.
All right.
Jeez. Damn, that's gonna be us over there.
Where? Oh, that's a fact. That's a fact.
I ain't showing them.
Let's see it.
I ain't showing them.
We good. All right, you ready?
He probably, what the hell these niggas doing?
Who said that?
No, I was talking about the scary dude sitting over there.
Oh, you sitting over there?
He been over the whole time.
Oh, damn. All right. Well,
Nah, he's just a regular worker though.
All right. Damn, bro, you disrespectful. Oh,
Shit.
that was it. Come on, champ. That was
No, but-
that was this.
I know, but I tell you the RPM though, right? The RPM range.
No. You gave up hope on the launch control.
But I told you the RPM range though. The RPM range. I told you.
You did say something earlier in the video. I do recall.
Yeah, I told you the RPM range.
But you were saying you were better than the launch control button.
I am.
No.
Okay, look.
So that was the hardest pull we had this whole time, and that was with the button.
Hey y'all, welcome back to another banger video, man. As you see, I'm in big TRX, man. I'm in a big TRX, and I didn't hear it because my birthday pretty much tomorrow. I need a haircut bad, but I didn't see by the title thumbnail, man. I took my dog's Corey, tall guy, Slim's TRX. To the DragStrip, man. We at Irvindale, man. So I'm trying to get them to like branch out and like experience, have fun, and enjoy the legal car scene. Because I don't recommend street racing or going to takeovers. I don't do that. I'm at Irvindale. I like being legal, man. You hear them going crazy out there. I can't wait, man. I know for a fact after he gets done here today, I'm trying to get him to learn how to. So you see this launch button right here, right? So you see this right here. I never use that. I just hold the brake, but I hold the brake at a certain RPM because I personally think it's better than holding this because this is very inconsistent. To where you have more control over holding, like doing it yourself. So, man, yeah, that's what the goats way. They don't call me a goat for no reason. So that's what I'm here to do today. Have him all off the case. Damn it, I just bought this damn case today. I already lost the fucking case. Big Urus right there. That is big chop right there. We got a lot of cars behind you. That's Z01, Cam Z01 right there, boy. It's a Cam Z01. This tint dark sale. What are you doing, buddy? Fucking crazy ass. God damn. Crazy as fuck. Hey, look at the steering wheel though. The temperature steering wheel ain't fucking nuts. There's right there. Only in sport mode. Yeah, man. First of all, I'm barely in line and people already see. People are noticing me before they notice the truck. So they got that charger. That is a charge. Shout out to all the people that fuck with me outside of like I fuck with everybody. I came from Tall Guy and all them, but and a two-step boy. This that Z01 over there. That Z01 over there going crazy. So we got the bike. I'm saying, man.